Hi, my YouTube family. Welcome. From Epic Taste USA, friendly YouTube social.media style. All my services are especially for the USA and completely free for all my lovely friend around the world. Just subscribe and support me. Thank you so much for your love, care, and kindness. Today, I'm going to make a delicious beef potato rice recipe. This recipe is so tasty, easy to make, and perfect for the whole family. While I'm getting everything ready, please take a moment to check out my previous videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my new recipes. And yes, guys, please keep supporting me. Your support motivates me to bring you the recipes and content you love. I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a comment, even a short one. Every comment means a lot to me and helps my channel grow. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all your love and support. Now, let's get started. I took 2 kilograms of with bones beef, 1.5 kilograms rice soaked for 30 minutes, took 5 onions, chopped, and chopped 5 tomatoes, 1 kilogram potatoes, cut into small cubes. Add all the beef to the pot. All the beef is in the pot. Add 10 garlic cloves and ginger. This will make the beef broth more flavorful. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. One half cup plum water for extra flavor. The broth is coming together nicely. Dish out all the beef from the broth. Beef is out and the broth is ready. Fry the onions in oil. Onions are golden brown. Add the beef. Now add the tomatoes. And mix well. Add biryani masala powder. Add 1 packet chicken powder. Add 1 packet hot spices. Add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1/2 bowl of yogurt. Finally, it's time to add the potatoes. And mix well. The wait is over. The rice is finally added. I added the broth. Sorry I couldn't record that part. Add 5 green chilies. So guys, our delicious beef potato rice is finally ready. Now, let's dish it out and serve it hot. Our delicious beef potato rice is ready. Now, let's dish it out. Finally, our mouth-watering beef potato rice is ready to serve. Let's dish it out. So guys, our delicious beef potato rice is finally ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please watch, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you'll love the taste and want to make it again and again. Also, don't forget to check out my previous videos and support my channel by watching them too. Your support means a lot to me. It helps me create more delicious recipes for you. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for your love and support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.